Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you all the Itzy Ritzy tote bag today. Now, I carry all three bags that Itzy Ritzy makes at Zara May Boutique, which is the Boss Backpack, the Triple Threat, and the Tribal Tote or the Tribe Tote. So I have tried the Boss Backpack, I have tried the Triple Threat, and I love both of those bags probably equally. In the last few days, I have been using my herringbone, black herringbone Triple Threat in backpack mode with the seatbelt straps, and I really do enjoy that. So what I wanted to show you guys today is I actually took everything out of my Triple Threat and I just put it into the tote. Now, I'll talk a little bit about the tote. So the tote bag, it's a large bag, okay? Don't get me wrong, it is quite big, and a lot of people on YouTube and a lot of reviews say that it's very similar to the Be Prepared. Now, I have tried the Be Prepared by Jujubee, and it is a very large bag. I do love it for travel and things like that, but for an everyday nappy bag for me, it was just too bulky. So I ended up not keeping the Be Prepared. The tote is big, it carries a lot, but I don't feel like it's really kind of bulky. It sits nicely. It looks like a tote bag. It doesn't look like a huge nappy bag like the Be Prepared does. So as far as it goes for what I prefer, I do like the Triple Threat and the Boss better. The tote would be lovely if I had use for it, but being a mum with 5 kids and on the go a lot, I don't go out to dinner, I don't go to events, I just go to the mall, do my shopping, come home, maybe go to the park. So I don't really have any use for such a nice tote big bag. So, but I do want to share it with you guys today because I know a lot of people are wondering about this bag, especially Aussie mums who have been introduced to this brand and they're not too sure. So they want some, honest opinions about it. So I will go over the features and everything as I'm going, showing you what I have in here. I'm not going to pull everything out and do a full unpacking video. I'm just going to very quickly show you what I have in because I didn't even fill this bag up, I'll be honest, and I've packed for 2 kids in the last couple of days in the Triple Threat and it's been fantastic. But putting all the stuff into the tote bag, it didn't fill it up. But that being said, there are people that really like to pack a lot of stuff, so they might find this bag really, really helpful. So I'm just gonna move the camera a little bit so you guys can kind of get a better view of what's inside, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I literally just put everything I had in my Triple Threat into the tote, and it did all fit as I mentioned, and it does, feel the bag does look nice. It doesn't look too stuffed full. This is the coffee and cream print. Now, Itzy Ritzy makes 3 prints at the moment that are standard. They've got the coffee and cream, the black herringbone, which is what my Triple Threat is in, as well as a posy pot, which is what my Boss Backpack is in. So I'll pop those videos below for those packing videos so you can have a look if you're interested. So let's go over some of the features first. There are tote handles on the top, obviously, because it's a tote bag, but there is also a messenger strap that the bag comes with, which is really nice. This is a material style, and this is a brown seatbelt, web seatbelt with gold hardware, so I really do enjoy that. There's the tassel on the front, of course, it's removable, gold hardware, big gold rings. There is this really nice zip compartment here, which I guess is kind of, I used it as a tech pocket, so I have my iPhone 10 in there and my lipstick and lip gloss pouch. So I'll just take that out for now. There is a nice mommy pocket here that does zip all the way down, and this is very similar to the Be Prepared as far as how it opens, but it opens all the way down, so there isn't any gussets. And I've just got my Lily Jade wallet in there. My keys attached to the key chain. There are 2 mesh pockets here, which are nice. I've got my business cards in one. I don't have anything in this material pocket here that closes with a magnetic closure, which is nice because it finds itself really easily. There's a zip pocket here that I guess you could put your sunglasses in. But in here I just have my small set piece, my mommy needs, and my hand sanitizer in there. The tote does have bottle pockets on either side that are insulated. So I've just got my funtainer in both sides. It does have stroller straps that come with them, come with the bag. All of the Itzy Ritzy diaper bags come with stroller straps, which is really cool. And you can just leave them attached, and I don't think they look tacky at all. So there's on the other side. The back here, this is pretty cool. There are 3 pockets in the back here that is unusual for these style bags, and there is also a change pad slip pocket here too. It doesn't magnetic close or anything like that, but you do have a very nice large change pad in here that has a magnetic closure, and it does have head and toe on both sides. So one side is the wipeable material and the other side is a material. You do have your rubberized bottom like you do on all the bags, which is awesome, so you don't have to worry about putting it down in grotty places and the bag getting ruined. So let's go on into the inside now. So it does open like any other tote bag with a nice zipper, long zipper, really nice hardware and zippers on the Itzy Ritzy bags. So I'll try to fold this back a little so you guys can see in. Okay, so there are basically two compartments to the tote bag, and I guess it's kind of similar to the Be Prepared in that way, where each side is exactly the same organization. So if you had twins, you could put one lot on one side, one lot on the other, and then you separate things out. It just makes it easier even if you have children of different ages. Now I am packing for a just over 2-year-old and an almost 5-year-old. So my almost 5-year-old doesn't need much, but she does have a few items in here. So I do have on top my 5-year-old's cardigan, because it's kind of in between weathers. So in the back section of the bag here, I actually packed all the entertainment items that I wanted to take. So I've got a play pack in this big material pocket here. It's very, very wide. I have a play pack in there. And then I have a LCD writing board in there as well. Nappies or diapers, even cloth diapers would fit really, really well in here. In the main section here, I just have a play pack. This is custom made, so that just gets popped in there. And then at the back here, there are some, if you can see, but there are some mesh pockets. So there's 1, 2, 3 mesh pockets, and I don't have anything in these two. And the only thing I have is a mini wipe pouch in the back here, antibacterial wipes. In this zip section here in the middle, I have my nappy needs. I only have one disposable size 5 nappy or diaper because my daughter used the other one and I don't want to go into her room to get another one for the video because she is sleeping. And I also have a Baby Olay wet and dry bag in there too for any dirty clothes or anything, and an XY base light change pad. Now I'm a little bit, I don't know if I like this separation thing. I feel like it kind of makes things squishier, but I can see how some people would like it. You can put snacks in there, toys in there, anything to kind of maybe keep it away from little hands that like to get into your bag. So that would be a really cool use for this, but for me personally, I don't know. I think I'd probably get used to it, but first off, I don't think it's not my favorite feature of this bag. So when we go on the other side here, same organization as on the side I just showed you. So in the big material pocket here, I have a wipe pouch 30. Then next to it, I just have 2 Itzy Ritzy mini snack bags in the Tokidoki Mermacorno All-Star print. And then in the 3 mesh pockets here, in this side, I just have a Hello Kitty coin purse with disposable baggies. Then next to that, I've got my Tokidoki coin purse with my hairbrush and hair ties. And then in this other larger mesh pocket, I've got my daughter's change of clothes, just in case, which is a rolled up size 2 or 3 shirt and little tights. So that's everything in the tote. Now I guess I could use it with all that in there. This style is just not one that I am a big fan of, or I find comfortable because of my back. So I have to kind of have the backpack option. It's the same thing with the Juju BB Classy. I want to love that bag so badly, but it just doesn't work for me. So I always get it, then end up selling it because I pack it up and it's beautiful, but then it's just not practical. But this bag has so many cool, just nifty features to it. So I hope that was a good overview of the bag for y'all if you're interested, especially for all the Aussie mums out there who aren't sure about the Itzy Ritzy bags, because it's kind of a new thing to us over here. If you have any questions or comments, please pop them below, and thanks for watching guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.